As a Scrum Master, how do you support an Agile team? An Agile team, otherwise also called a Scrum team, is a team of people that are building work to be delivered to a client. Now, you support a team as a Scrum Master by facilitating, by coaching, and by teaching. So, your biggest value in a team is coaching. Coaching simply means that you are directing, you are helping the team to put up a setting that helps them understand the product and also help facilitate communication, which is the most important thing a Scrum team needs. If you help your team facilitate communication, then you can effectively remove impediment. Then you can effectively help them deliver an increment. You can effectively help them understand the product they're delivering. Need more of this? Follow my page for more.